Hey everyone, I'm just making a quick video here on sharing files. So if you want to share some files with your kids, you want them on one nice Google Drive folder, this is how you do it. So I'm going to open up Chrometastic here, all my good stuff here. I'm going to go right to Drive. Sometimes I don't like all that stuff at the end, right? I want a clean drive.google.com because then it might take me somewhere I don't want to go. Okay, this is my school board drive. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure you have your school board open. I have a few accounts here. um, so what I want to do, and let me make up a task here. Let's say I have these files here. These are actually my upload files when I upload my grades, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But let's say these are files I want to share with my students, okay? Because they're right there and they're numbered 1 through 6 and they look like so they need to go somewhere. So I'm going to, in my drive, I'm going to do a new folder. Wait, a new folder right here, not folder upload, new folder. And I'm going to call it Files for Students Now, because they need them now. Okay, so here's my new folder. I'm going to open it up. Now you can see I positioned my window so that it's here and the files are over there so I can see both. I think this is the easiest way to do it. You could add files using the new file upload and select them from there, but I prefer to just position the window like so. So I can just drag these in, and it says at the bottom, drag files to instantly upload them to that folder. So it's going to do the uploads. When I'm at school, oh, these files are kind of big. So this might take a minute. When I'm up school, this always happens. When I'm at school, this always happens instantly. You can see those files are not as small as I thought they were, but they're not that big. Okay, so at home, this might take a couple minutes, whereas if you were at school, it would happen almost instantly. Now, you have the folder, you have the files there. Now, how do you get it to the students? I will go to the drop down here, and then you're going to get a shareable link. You're going to share this with your people. Okay, it's telling me that the link sharing is off, so I'm going to turn that on with this little button here. And here is the link, so I can copy that, and I'll have that. I don't like their setting here, though. It says anyone at Alachua County Public Schools with a link can view, and that can be a little bit of a problem. So let's go into the sharing settings. And they make you click through a couple times because they really don't want you doing this by default. They want you to go to Advanced. And then where it says anyone can view, we're going to click Change. And we're going to change it from Alachua County Public Schools to anyone with the link. Part of the reason why we're going to do this is that when the kids are at home and they click on that link, if they're not logged into their school board account, or if they're logged into multiple accounts on the computer, which they probably are, and it defaults to an account that's not an Alachua County Public Schools link, it's not going to work. Or if their parents get the link and they're at work and they're trying to print these out, it's not going to work if it's like this. So I prefer to have it like this, just for the ease of access on the other end. And then there you go. I will copy this and put that in the email, and then they will be able to get access to it. Be sure you leave it on view. If you change it to organize, add, and edit, the kids can add and take files out of there, and you do not want that to happen. So be sure it is on cam view only before you send out that link, because you would just give them a folder that they could do anything they want with, and you have that one student, and they would do something they shouldn't. Okay, so yeah, you can again get it there, copy it, and put it in there, and you'll be good to go. Peace.